Clashes broke out on Wednesday at the Parliament building in Crimea between Crimean Tatars and pro-Russian supporters. The Tatars have an ugly history with Russia after being deported from the Black Sea Peninsula by Soviet leader Khrushchev, under the pretext they collaborated with the Nazis. Crimea is turning into a hotbed of major tensions in the Ukrainian crisis. The Tatars are afraid ethnic Russians could ask Russia to either intervene or even separate from Ukraine. Crimea was transferred to Ukraine by Russia in the 50s, but many in the region feel closer to Moscow. Russia still runs a military base in Sevastopol. Crimea's capital is Simferopol. Pro-Russian self-defense groups set up roadblocks between the two towns as a display of strength and opposition to the Tatars. Russia can bring peacekeeping troops if the Crimean parliament requests it. We shouldn't confuse this with military intervention, but at least nobody will oppose Russian troops. A delegation of Russian MPs is still in Crimea after delivering the message that Moscow would fast-track applications for Crimeans wanting Russian citizenship. These ethnic Russians are afraid of being caught up in the pro-Maidan wave that toppled former President Viktor Yanukovych. But Kiev is on edge at the mounting tensions and is fearful of separatism.